Welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. We're having a breakfast here. We're still waiting for Surojo Anundeng because our the schedule that we're supposed to be here is 8 o'clock. But Nana and Bibi is so hungry. That's Nana's breakfast.
Yeah. Thank you, Sir Mambi.
And this is my breakfast. Ugmat na tumagday. Have a good day.
Salamat kaayo na niya. Mayon tag okay ra ang result sa inyo. Kaayo eh. God will heal you. Jesus will heal you. Mura magkuan.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Till next time. Nandun sa inyo sa buhol. Buhol.
Asas baby mo.
Ano? Wala. Masarap.